Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm getting ready for camping season, so I need to organize my stuff. I kind of want to put it in a different order in the boxes so I can just grab and go. I've noticed that my system has been kind of jumbled lately and I need to create a checklist. So yeah, let's organize my camping gear and get ready for the camping season. If you're new here, my name is Diane and this is Out and About with Diane, where I like to camp, hike, explore, and just travel around and share my adventures with you. So if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Now, this is kind of one of those projects that before you even start, you're just wondering to yourself, what the heck am I doing? But it needs to happen. I'm tired of spending most of my time trying to find my stuff and, you know, organize it before the trip. And normally I am pretty organized, but these last few years, I've kind of just let everything go. So I need to take out all of these bins, and then I'm going to take everything out of the bins and then get rid of stuff and make a checklist of things that I need to purchase to make my life a little bit easier when I'm camping. So these are the bins and I need to pull them out and organize them. So I'm gonna get started. You ready to clean, Brucey? Okay, we're gonna start with pulling everything out. Harp, shovel, bathroom, chair, Alright, so I basically got everything emptied out, and if you noticed, I had those huge totes, and those don't really work for my vehicle. They're a little bit too big, and it's difficult to organize things because they're too big for what I have anyways. So I have some smaller totes that I would like to fit all of my toiletries and all that stuff in one bin. I would like to fit my stove and all my cooking utensils in another bin, and that would basically be it besides my tent and my cot that I sleep on. So that is the goal for today. So in this bin, I'm going to put extra gear and some backpacking gear in there, and in another video I'm going to organize all of my backpacking stuff because I need to do that also. And yeah, so I can't believe all of this stuff was in 3 bins, which is a little excessive. So the items that will go in this bin are going to be my toilet and my camp maintenance items, such as my tarp, maybe even the dog lead. I haven't decided. I might put the dog stuff in its own bin. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I want everything to fit in this box, including the stove. So that's why I changed from a smaller, clear Sterilite container to this one that I got at Lowe's. And yeah, so everything should be able to fit in here. I might have to take this off, but yeah, so the whole point is to just grab and go. And with this on, should be able to do that. Everything should be able to fit in here from my kitchen box. You may have noticed that I didn't really have any coolers in the collection, but those don't really need to be organized. I've got a plethora of coolers, and soft coolers are my favorite. For the most part, I do like a square cooler every once in a while. And I get my coolers from Polar Bear Coolers, and they're pretty awesome. I'll have a link to their website below. Alright, so I'm all done out here. I just need to go inside, make a couple checklists for things that I always need to bring with me, which those containers are pretty good to go, but I need to make a list of things I want and need. And then I'm going to make another list and put it on top of the containers so that I know what I'm grabbing when I grab the container. So let's go inside and make some lists. Alright, so I'm here at my laptop. I'm going to make a few little checklists, and I'm going to put a checklist in the description for you as well. It's going to be so much better to keep track of all my things. Packing up my car is going to be so much easier. I also just purchased a rack for my tow hitch, so that's going to be great. I did purchase a few more things for camping season. I am completely ready for camping. There are a few other things I want / need, maybe need / want. And I'm just ready. I'm ready to get out there. I've got a trip coming up. I'm going to spend about a week out in nature, just enjoying myself and creating videos for you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please let me know if you learned anything. And I want to know what your camp organization setup is like. Leave that in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and hit the notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.